This audio is brought to you by easyhypnosis.ca. Please do not listen to it while doing anything that requires your full attention, for example, driving. Hi, this is Timur. Thank you for listening to this self-hypnosis audio. It was designed to help you enhance your learning abilities. It can help you become more motivated, improve your concentration, increase your ability to remember facts, and finally make the learning process more enjoyable. In order to get the best results from this audio, I suggest you listen to it daily for at least 5 days. People notice that when you start doing something new, 5 is a magic number. Once you reach 5 times, your brain is much more likely to accept this new learning and integrate it. So please find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. You can do this sitting. You can also do it laying down. If you do it sitting, please find a place where you can sit, legs uncrossed, arms uncrossed, back straight. Take a few moments, settle in, settle down. And this is your process. No need to perform for others. Take a few deep breaths in and out. In and out. And if your eyes are not yet closed, you can close them now. Take another deep breath in through your mouth and slowly let it out through your nose. You'll find a sense of comfort there. You could use that comfort as a way of relaxing, because when we change our breathing, it can help us relax even more. And I will ask you to bring your attention to your feet and notice the difference in sensations in your left foot and your right foot. And then bring your attention higher to your legs. And again, notice the difference between your two legs. And then allow your attention go up to your back, to your neck, and then let your attention slide to the back of your head, to the top of your head, your forehead, and then allow your attention to touch your eyes gently, allowing the muscles around your eyes to relax. Now, soften all those muscles around your eyes, simply because right now is a perfect opportunity for them to do nothing. Just relax and rest. And once you feel that your eyelids are relaxed, you can take this relaxation further and send it as a warm and pleasant wave down your cheeks, softening facial muscles on its way, relaxing your jaw, your tongue. Send it even further down, relaxing your neck, your shoulders, allowing the simple calm sensation to travel easily through all your muscles down, releasing any tension on its way through the whole body, chest muscles, abdomen, thighs, legs, to the very tips of your toes, feeling calm and relaxed and ready to make some powerful adjustments that will allow you to take your learning abilities to a whole new level. That's right. Now I'm gonna ask you to imagine a beautiful library. It is bright, very well organized and modern, and it contains a huge amount of knowledge in different forms, accumulated over the years. And it is your personal library, where you keep all your past experiences. They are stored as valuable resources which you can access and use whenever necessary. And in this library you keep all your learning successes from the past, from your very first learnings as a baby, learning to recognize your mother, respond to her, smile, discover things around you, and make your first steps all the way to your current age, where you know so much already. And the beautiful thing about this library is that it's so well organized that you can easily access the information that you need at all times. That's right. Now, there are several things that are particularly helpful when you learn something new. You can easily identify those that are most important for you. And your unconscious, this wise part of you, can now sort through all your experiences and identify moments when you learned very quickly and easily, when you were at your peak performance state and you felt absolutely wonderful and enjoyed the process. And you might not be aware of those memories consciously, yet your unconscious knows exactly what they are and is able to access them quickly to help you re-experience them now. One interesting thing about memories is that we remember different things differently. We remember some things as pictures or movies. For example, you can remember a picture from your textbook, and this picture, maybe a diagram or a table, made a lot of sense to you. We remember other things as sounds. For example, you can remember the voice of your professor when he or she told something that was very interesting for you. And we remember some other things as feelings. And I will ask you to remember an absolutely amazing feeling of accomplishment that you experienced once in the past. As if you've just successfully passed a very important exam with a good grade. Feel the special sensation of power attached to it, and joy and excitement. It is a very personal mix of feelings that you can recreate right now, as if you were in a chemical lab, your own personal chemical lab of good feelings. And you know the formula very well because it's your own formula, and you experienced it in the past more than once. So you can add a little bit more of this and that to make the feeling of peak performance as powerful and as uniquely yours as it can be, making it strong and truly amazing. Double it again. And while you're preparing this powerful potion, I will ask your unconscious mind to go back in time and identify all the strategies that allowed you to get into that special state of peak performance. And find your own unique ways of studying using all the resources of your mind. Or maybe install new, even better learning strategies that will help you learn even faster and more effectively than you ever done before. And while this process is running, you may take some time to ask yourself a couple of questions. And the first one is, what is it that motivates you? And I mean really motivates you in your studies. For some people, it may be the satisfaction of completing the task, or the feeling of being successful, or maybe this pleasant expectation of achieving a long-term goal, such as getting a job of your dreams. Maybe something else. Something that truly motivates you and makes you move forward with your tasks. And there's one interesting thing about goals. Some people feel good only after they achieve their goal. And I don't think this is the best approach. I prefer to feel wonderful even before I reach my goal, since these wonderful sensations keep me motivated. They keep me alive. This way, when I reach the goal, I can feel even better, absolutely ecstatic. And you can create a powerful, positive image of success. And take a few moments to adjust this picture so it would keep you motivated right now. Because what you're doing today and every day is taking steps forward in the direction of that success. And you can do this exercise every day or as often as you feel like it to propel yourself into success. And there's another question that I want you to ask yourself. How can you minimize the distractions that may appear during your studies? We all have distractions in our lives, and I will ask your unconscious to create ways to minimize these distractions so you could find more time and space for productive work. And since you already know which distractions I'm talking about, it will be easy for you to generate simple and effective strategies that will help you become more concentrated. And your unconscious can mobilize all the resources that will help you achieve the state of effective concentration. And it can adjust these resources so you could return to this productive state again and again. And finally comes the last question. It's a question of finding balance in your life. The balance between work and rest, between study and play. Because it's easier to study after a short break, when you do something for fun, or maybe perform some physical exercises like several squats or push-ups. And you can search through all your past experiences and identify those that give you the healthiest boost, the most amazing feelings of being ready for your studies, feeling energized and wonderful. And in a moment, after taking all the time that you need to complete this process at your own pace and speed, I'd like you to get back to here and now, feeling fully refreshed. Maybe stretch a little bit, take a deep breath, open your eyes. Thanks for listening. I hope this is helpful. This audio was brought to you by easyhypnosis.ca. If you like it, please share our website with your friends. Take care. Bye.